Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding Terra Luna Classic. We're going to talk about what is the future for Terra Luna Classic, where is the price going in the immediate short term, and whether or not we should be worried. So if you like these kind of updates, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. If we're looking across the market today though, you guys can see we are starting to see a little bit of cool off happen within the markets, which is very much needed because we have been saying insane amount of bullishness that is coming within the space. Gains are made left and right, so excitement is definitely there. So obviously a little bit of a cool off is very much needed before we do see continuation upwards trend. But today we're here to talk about Terra Luna Classic and see what is happening with the price and where are we going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic, it is currently trading at 0.00012 cents. It's down 2.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 0.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $722.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $47 million. So right away, we have been seeing Terra Luna Classic over the past, month and a half not really do much. We've been seeing more price moving towards the downside rather than following the overall momentum. We've seen Bitcoin hit new yearly highs. A lot of altcoins are starting to do quite well, but we're not seeing that sort of power coming into Terra Luna Classic. And I've said this to you guys before, the overall interest level in the crypto space outside of the Terra Luna Classic community, there's a lot of uncertainty right now because of what has happened. That's why new money is not flowing into Terra Luna Classic as of yet, but obviously the community members still have their money in it. But obviously if the prices were to go down, the overall market cap is going to go down. But we're going to be talking about what's happening with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. But if you like these kind of updates, as I've already said, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic right now, you guys can see something very, very, very interesting is happening with the price, which I'm not liking at all. And I've told you guys this on every single update I've made about Terra Luna Classic. And the thing that I'm referring to is this level of resistance. You guys can see this level of resistance at that 1.45 cents mark since we broke below it back on March 6th. So at the beginning of the month, we never managed to see the price go above that range, which is showing a massive bearish sign. And obviously the interest level, like I've said, outside of the community is not there as of now. And today especially, if you guys are aware, Duquan charged with fraud by U.S. prosecutors in New York. So you guys know Terra Luna Classic founder has now been charged with fraud and also has been arrested. So we're going to see how this entire thing plays out. Obviously, there were speculations going last year that he wasn't the one that did this. It was Sam Bankman. So we're going to start to see how this thing plays out, and I really hope that these U.S. prosecutors start to get more information out of this rather than just charging and making money out of it. We want to hear, for all the people that lost so much money, we want to hear what happened, where did that money go, and who was behind this. And was it Sam Bankman-Fried? If it was, let's do something about it. But right now, Terra Luna Classic, it is looking really bearish because, like I've said, we have not seen the price go above that resistance level, despite the fact that we are in a massive bullish zone. Yes, you can make the claim that the BTC dominance index is going a little bit on the downside, so we shouldn't to the upside. So most money is flowing into Bitcoin, which I've told you guys on all my videos if you guys do watch them. So right now altcoin season is not in effect. But what we're seeing happen is that Terra Luna Classic is not reacting at all. There's no volume coming in as well. And right now we're sitting at some critical levels. You guys can see we are sitting at some support levels. If we lose this, guys, there is a strong chance, a very, very strong chance for Terra Luna Classic to fall down to that 0.0000 8638 cents a mark. That's definitely on the table. This is why it's very important for the price of Terra Luna Classic to stay above that level of resistance, which I've said to you guys. But obviously, if that were to happen, we could see Terra Luna Classic drop about another 30%. And especially if Bitcoin were to take more of a retracement right now, that could definitely be on the plate, because Bitcoin, remember, at the end of the day, Bitcoin has been doing insanely well this year, hitting yearly highs after yearly highs. And right now we're finding a little bit of a resistance. We're seeing a little bit of a sideways momentum. And if BTC dominance continues to stay up and Bitcoin does see a retracement, we're going to see altcoins bleed. And obviously Terra Luna Classic is not an exception. Obviously, the greatest thing right now, in my personal opinion, would be is to go above here. But right now, being hearing that Duquan is also arrested, that is just not going to bring positive exposure. On the bright side, Binance is supporting Terra Luna Classic revival, so that is the biggest plus point that we as a community have. But other than that, this is why it's very important. I've said this in all my videos: never invest everything in one coin. Always diversify your portfolio, because sure, the risk factor with Terra Luna Classic is really high, but the reward is very high as well. So you always want to have a diversified portfolio where you do have more riskier projects, so mid cap, large cap, small cap, and that's how you kind of control your overall risk exposure in the markets. Right now, like I said, I'm going to be straight up to you guys. I'm not going to come here and say Terra Luna Classic is going to $1. We are looking extremely bearish right now. And, on the Crypto ZX channel, we come and say the true facts. I'm not going to come say, we're looking bullish right now. Absolutely not. Duquan being arrested is, going to impact the overall new money coming into the markets. I'm not talking about the current community itself. And with talking about the current community, guys, Terra Luna Classic has one of the most strongest communities, and which is very impressive. And at the end of the day, community does play a massive role. But we do also need new investors coming in. With hearing these negative news come in left and right is going to impact new money flowing in. So we could see Terra Luna Classic fall even lower if it does not hold around these range. So let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Terra Luna Classic going, and if you agree with my overall analysis. And that is just a risk factor that we have to be able to bear when we're investing in cryptocurrencies, guys. If you think that there's no risk factor and you're just going to see only positive gains being made, unfortunately this is not for you. And I will say that right away. You don't need to hear it from anyone else. The cryptocurrency is not for you if you think that this market won't bring you, risks and it's just going to be great movements toward the upside. Absolutely not. But that is currently my scenario on Terra Luna Classic. If anything were to change, if anything urgent were to come out, you guys already know I will keep you guys covered. Love you all. Thank you for all the support that you guys show me. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.